In this quick video, I will show you how to easily decrease the leverage of an opened position on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign-up bonus depending on how much you deposit and trade. You can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. So as you can see, I currently have this long trade opened right here with the 8x leverage. And now I want to decrease the leverage to, let's say, a 5x leverage. So how can I do that? I can just click on here to edit the leverage and put it down to, let's say, a 5x leverage. Before you do that, you need to make sure that you have enough capital available right here to be pulled as margin to keep up the same position size. So you can do that right here. I can click on confirm. So it was no problem in here because I had enough capital available. Let's say I want to further decrease the leverage to a 4x leverage. As you can see, I cannot click on confirm right here because I don't have enough capital right here to be pulled as margin. So if you cannot decrease your leverage right here, that means you don't have enough capital available. Because what does this leverage decrease effectively mean? It keeps up the same position size, but you're putting in more of your own capital as margin. Currently, I'm at $200 margin of my own capital times 5 equals the 1000 position size. If I put in $500 of margin, of course, I only need a 2x leverage to come to the $1000 position size. So if I want to go down to a 2x leverage, I need to have at least $300 right here available to be pulled into here. So this is 500, and then I can use the 2x leverage to keep up the same $1000 position size. So in this case, if I further want to decrease the leverage with my available balance, I either have to deposit more money in here or I need to close parts of the position. That is also an option. So I can go in here to close, and let's say I close half of my position, click on close long, confirm. Now I have more available capital in here, and now I can also, of course, go in here and further decrease the leverage to, let's say, for example, a 3x leverage. That is now no problem because the position size is smaller and I have more available capital. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.